Is the Rebirth Group trying to take over the functions of the National Assembly?
Of course not. Rebirth Group is not, we are not constituting ourselves into a constitution-making body. The National Assembly went around and compiled people's opinion about how to amend the constitution, and TRG dutifully sent our own opinion, what we think should be done. We sent it to them. But what TRG is doing is this. We are trying to involve the people in the way they will be governed. Severally on this program, we've had people say, especially people like Pastor Femi Emmanuel, that Nigerian constitution is a fraud. And if we believe this thing is a fraud, and if we believe that the phrase "we the people of Nigeria" is a lie, then why can't we do the needful? Why can't we get the people involved? And that's exactly what we are doing. Anywhere we go, we just ask them, is this constitution working for you? The chorus is no. Then what do we do? We ask for their opinion. How do you want Nigeria to be remodeled? How do you, if you said a building is defective, how do you do the needful and restructure it? This is exactly what we are doing, and people will tell us their opinion from different zones. We've collected their opinion, and at the end of the day, it is these people that says what next. After collecting people's opinion, and some people said 6 regions, some 8, some 10, what next? Let everybody meet. Then we meet and decide. And another thing is this. When some people say Nigeria's unity is not negotiable, I know most of us must have heard that from some people. And the people are saying, no, even marriage that God ordained from heaven, he gave certain conditions that you can, dissolve the marriage. That's something ordained from heaven. So how can you say some people put together by some people from Berlin and some states created by government and some constitution, put together, that you say there are some no-go areas, and you say that thing cannot be undone, and that you cannot even discuss it. It's an insult to the people to tell them that you have no business discussing your affairs. And when you talk about the National Assembly, this National Assembly, are they really representing the people? What the people bargained for was the parliamentary system of government, where their representative will go to the capital or whatever from Monday to Friday, and by the weekend they are in their domain telling the people what transpired. That is what our people, our forefathers, bargained for. Although as imperfect as it was, it served them well. We can point to certain milestones that were achieved during that time. But since then, it seems those period was our best period, which is unfortunate. So if you are saying you are talking of the National Assembly, an assembly that will only come to you 4 years after you have elected them. What they ask from you is they ask for your vote. And if you want to test what I'm talking now, ask any assemblyman, ask any elected person, what is the role of the people in all this? What he or she will tell you is, they voted us in. They are to vote us in. And that is the only role reserved for the people, which is not correct. So TRG is not usurping the role of the National Assembly. We are only, trying to guide the people to do the needful. What is their constitutional right? The right of the people to choose the kind of government they want. That is what TRG is doing.